Hello everybody, and I have a package. Again, I know what's going to be inside this package. So yeah, let's open it. So it says to open, lift tab and pull quickly. Alright, let's see if that works. Didn't really go all the way through though. All the way across. Okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, got both sides open. And so, first thing that's inside this package is the MGC 4x4. Yeah, I got this because I'm starting 4x4. And then the Moyu R3M 2020. And that's all that's inside the package. So the RS3M is for another video. Today I'm gonna open the MGC 4x4. Okay, let's see. So here, all this stuff. What? So there's Chinese. And yeah, that's the outside of the box. Time to get this plastic stuff off. Oh, it's from, oh yeah, the YJ MGC. A bit confused for a second. So, but it doesn't feel like the other plastic wraps. This feels kind of. It doesn't feel like the actual plastic. It feels kind of like hard plastic. It's weird. All right, finally we got to the cube. Oh, this box is so big. Peel or just slide this thing off. Okay, why isn't this coming off? It's sus. Alright, so I got the stuff off. Now time to lift the box. The box looks kind of plain without this green thing. 4x4. Come on, get out. Yes, finally. So this is the MGC 4x4. So first, I'm going to open the accessories box because that's the least exciting part. So inside here you have, oh, a screwdriver from which the magnets are attached to. It's like gets stuck on here. Okay, some springs as well, which the magnets get stuck to as well. And then some more springs. Interesting. Wait, what are these? Are they different? I think they are different. And then there's also some instructions, I think. Alrighty. Oh, so it's just this stuff. Okay. So I'm actually bad at 4x4. I just started. I use reduction on it, even though it's not the best option because it's slower than Yao. So I'm trying to learn Yao currently. All right, time to get this plastic off the 4x4. The 4x4 with plastic looks so cool. Squeeze. Alrighty. Whoa, this is so first turns. Okay, no. This is so sandy. It's not it's not smooth. Oh frick, I did something wrong. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so that was an oof. That was weird. Oh, this cube feels so, like, feels so, I don't know how to describe it. So the cube out of the box feels really sandy. But having these magnets feels so good. So my old 4x4 was a thunderclap. And this MGC is a bit smaller. Oh wow, it's a lot smaller. This feels better in my hands. Okay, this feels so good. It's really fast as well. I like fast cubes. Okay, let me try. I haven't completely memorized the parity algorithm. I got it right. So yeah, this is just a parity, the OL parity. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So yeah, this cube doesn't feel as smooth. It's really fast. It feels really sandy out of the box, probably because it's been outside for a long time. It doesn't feel as smooth like the Skin 11M Pro. So there's probably going to be a review on this cube, probably next week or something. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.